Today I'm here to speak about the topic of money. Money is the essential commodity that helps to run our life, and we can buy everything if we have a money. We wish if we have a money in our life, and nobody can exist in the competitive society and competitive world without money. We require money to meet our basic needs, like such as purchasing foods and have a get a home, and which is impossible to achieve it without money. People who are rich and have own property and money in the society are regarded as the most respectable member of the society. Money also improve the social position of a man and improve and help him to create a positive image in front of the other peoples. And we also want to get a money and make more money, so it is possible through a good job and a good business, so that we can all meet the modern world and the expanding needs. However, the few amount of people who fulfill their dreams to get a billionaire, but most of the people work hard and struggle in their life to get a rich. And
A very good morning to respected sir and the students. Today I am here to enlighten you with the topic value of money. So the importance of money is the topic that is often debated in today's world. Some argue that money is everything while others believe that it's just a piece of paper or metal that carries a lot of weight. However, the reality is that none of us can survive in this world without money. Money is truly a double-edged sword that in one hand give you a certain level of respect and power in the society, but it can rob you of the time where you are busy to enjoy with your family, friends and loved ones to your earn money. However, money is a psychological currency that buy emotional satisfaction. Money touches the essence of who we are and stirs the soul in a way that other things can. In fact, there is a saying that money says goodbye to money talks to part of our society by saying goodbye. First, money says goodbye to the married couple. Conflict between husband and wives over money are a leading cause of divorce. Second, money says goodbye to the living. It is the leading cause of murder and a major contributor of suicide and depression. In the end, I would like to conclude by saying that the importance of money cannot be denied in today's world. Money mystifies us. We just don't know what we really believe about money. We can't live it or we can't live without it. We want more of it. Even more of it don't make us any happier. However, it is very crucial to earn money ethically and use it wisely. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to tell you about the value of money. There is an argue between importance of money. Some people used to say that money is not important, but it is necessary for life. Some people used to say that it is very important for the happy life. But the truth is that if we have money, we can do anything. Some people used to say that money cannot buy a happiness, but if we have, everyone wants a luxury life. From the day we born, from the moment we born, everyone needs some money to survive in this world. There is an example that we can suppose. Let us think about that. Life is a video game. If we have to clear it with the past, we have to level it level by level. Every level is hard, easy, and so difficult. So many difficulties. We have to give it a patience. Like a game needs some monies and points, us that we also need some money to survive and level up our life. When we are getting adult, our life becomes a difficult and more difficult. Like there are so many disadvantages and advantages of money. Like there is recently we had heard about a news that there is 720 out of 720 marks for the NEET student.
Respected colleagues, now I will start my value of money speech. Money is an essential commodity that helps run our lives. Exchange goods for goods is an older practice. Without any money, we can buy anything we wish. Money has become important because people are trying to save wealth their future needs. Rich as known the true value of money. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, our topic is value of money. Money is equal to whole life. It is very important for living life. Without money, we can't do anything in the life. When we have money, so everyone respects us. If we don't have money, so no one respects us. That's why we must try to earn money. So how can we earn money? We can earn money by doing job. we can earn money by doing business. There are only two ways in the life to earn money. First, business, and second, job. Now we have to decide that which way should we go to earn money. He will listen in business field, and he says that I am not educated and I am a businessman. So I accept this, but I say with 100% guarantee that you are not educated and you are doing business. You will never become like a Bill Gates. You will never become like a Usain Bolt and Barack Obama, Joseph. You will never become like a Ratan Tata, Ambani and Adani. You will never become a owner of any big companies and industries. This is a truth.
Morning, sir, and good morning to everyone. Money is the most basic need of every human life, without which no one can fulfill the basic need of his daily life. Nowadays, we need money for every work, for clothes, food, shelter, and even in some places you have to pay money for water. Money is a big part of our life. The importance of money increasing is day by day. To live in society, we need money. We need money to maintain our position. Position in society. To eat food, drink water, wearing clothes, take admission college and schools, take medicines, get a get a treatment in hospital, buying stuff, taking of our household needs, for a lot of for other activities. We need a lot of money. It helps to make our life enjoyable and to keep us relaxed. So we can say that money is a very much needed in every aspect of life. That's all for today. Thank you.
Needs money. Money is like a petrol. If you want that your car must going on, so you have enough petrol in your car. Similarly, if you want that your life must going on, so you have enough money. Just like car cannot run without petrol, life cannot run without money. First and foremost, has power to fulfill our basic needs like food, clothes, and shelter. If you ever struggle for money, so you realize what is the real value of money. Because when it comes to your survival, you are ready to do anything. Earn money is become your compulsion. Beyond the survival, money has power to fulfill your basic dreams. It provides you good education, good resources, good equipments to chase your dreams. If you are rich, so the battle of become successful, you won the half battle. If you want to live happy and healthy life, so you have to be financially free. Because you have not all the time you think about money, and money. Your life become like a robot. Beyond the survival, money has opened the doors of endless possibilities. Yet, great power comes to great responsibilities also. If you have money, you you use it for the
Money. Money is the most basic requirement of life, without which no one can fulfill our dreams. In today's world, almost everything is possible with money. Money is needed to lead a better life. Money is a powerful tool can solve any problems. Money is medium of exchange. Save money and money will save you. Earn money because in the end people do not see your heart, they see your money. Money is not everything, but everything requires money. Human beings needed money. Money gives freedom and choice. We should understand that. We should understand that money cannot buy happiness. Money needed our comforts. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am speaking about value of money. Money is a medium of exchange. It is a system of value that facilitates the exchange of goods in an economy. It's important to earn money, but it's also important to save it. Someone has rightly said that if you save money today, will save you in future. Thank you.
My dear friends, today my topic is value of money. Money is important in our life. If we have money, we can purchase anything like fruits, vegetables, branded shoes, branded clothes, car, bikes, houses, etc. If we do not have money, we cannot purchase anything. Money gives us comforts in our life. Money plays an important role in our life. And money is a powerful tool in our life that can solve any problems. Money gives us freedom and choices. If we have money, we can take better education in universities, college, schools, coaching, etc. If we do not have money, we cannot take better education. Thank you.